All right, so in order to help work on, I'm obviously over exaggerating, but some of us tend to have a forward posture. Most of us do, right? So what we need to work on is trying to do everything we can to work on extension in the opposite direction. So even just something as simple as that, just, if you think about this is kind of where our posture tends to be, reaching back almost like a scarecrow position and extending the neck, just spreading the arms and opening up. Just doing that a couple times during the day is helpful. If you've got access to a foam roller at home, this is actually where it really feels good. Don't tell anybody it feels good, but it does. Okay, just tell them you're exercising. All right, so what you're going to do is put your tailbone down at the base down here. And so, see, you get to lie down. So what it's essentially doing, we've got the foam roller basically pushing up our spine. Now, it's also wanting to, you can't see this, but is wanting to extend the lower back. So you got to push the lower back, the small of your back, into the foam roller so your lumbar spine doesn't get irritated. But, so here we go again into that scarecrow position. And just even holding your hands here, what I would suggest, I've got weights here, which we'll use in a second, but we're going to get them out of the way. What I would suggest, go into a scarecrow, reaching overhead, getting a couple snow angels in. Okay, so you're just letting your arms glide along through here, getting a nice stretch. Overhead, take a couple breaths. And you can really feel that opening the chest. Let's do one more. I would say 3 to 5 of those. And really being able to lift and get some nice extension through here. Now, I would take some 3 to 5 pound weights. The next one you're going to do, is one arm at a time. I guess I should have grabbed the threes. Open up through here. Try and keep your core solid. One at a time, just so you can really feel those muscles. And you're going at a diagonal, okay? Then you can also, so do a few repetitions of those. Straight overhead so you can really get a nice stretch through there. Go slow. Mostly telling myself this. Okay? Slow and steady is going to win the race on this one. Nice extension. I'm feeling that in my core because it's stretching the fascial tissues all the way down there. Breathing. Okay. Then opening the chest. And you want to get the weight so they're right before they touch down. So like a big hug, open that up through there. Come on back up. And you got your arms out wide. Holy cow, that's a big stretch. So just spending a good 5 minutes. I don't know how long. We're at 4 minutes right there. But just 3 to 5 minutes in this position. Look at the angle of my shirt. Okay. You can see we're completely the opposite of that flexed position. We're actually in an extended position. So you can do that a couple times a day. Really helps. I think I'm taller now. Really helps elongate the spine. And again, don't tell anybody, but it actually feels good to lie down and do some exercise. So give that a try.